Next is RIDGID's brand new rear handle circular saw. Now, if you've never used a high quality circular saw, it's different. I started out with a very used and very no-name circular saw. I think it's called Master something. Master Mechanic. And I borrowed this from my dad, and who later gave it to me because I was using it and he wasn't. And I built a bunch of stuff with it, right? But there's a clear difference when you pick up a much newer and better made saw. So this thing, well, you know what? Let's just take it outside. Now don't forget what's in the box matters, because RIDGID didn't want to be outdone, and they're not gonna be. But first, check out this brand spanking new circular saw that they come out with, a rear handle, brushless. It's got a kind of a, I've never seen one like this, the way the battery goes in there. I've had this RIDGID circular saw for a very long time. I bought this a long time ago, and it's been a nice addition to the shop. This new saw is a beast. Like, if you need a really beefy and powerful saw, cordless saw, you should probably check this one out. First thing I noticed is it's fairly well balanced. Even though everything's kind of forward of the handle, it is a little weighty up front, but it is well balanced, and the cut power is hot knife through butter. Like, it just zips right through the 2x6, which you should expect from a saw of this size and power. I got a 12 amp hour battery in there. You can put a 4, 6, 8, it will fit the bigger batteries, which I like. That 12 amp hour battery is a beefy, big old battery, and I'm glad it fits in there. Now, the way it inserts into this pocket here is fairly neat. I can't remember any other saws that do that. My other one, the battery goes in from the back side. I do like that it's on the top. By doing so, they put the weight in the center mass of the saw, so it doesn't feel out of balance. Now, the adjustments on this saw are easy to do. Just a little flip switch there. You can adjust your depth any size you want. Marking's very clear to read on the side. When you get it where you want it, you just pull this down. Tension locks it in place. Bevel the same way. It has a tension flip switch. You flip that one on the front, then you just move it into any position you want. And it slides very smooth. Like, it's a very smooth glide on that adjustment. This base is magnesium, as well as the surround. This is a brushless tool. Dust collection, I did not try. We were outside, so it didn't matter. And it does have that rafter hook, should you need that, if you're into those rafter type trades, which I'm not, which I'm glad that there are those that have that skill, because it's much needed. Thank you for your service. There's a switch right there to lock the arbor, and then the tool to change the blade is located right under the back handle, and then it fits that arbor. This is a 7¼ inch blade as well. The blade that comes with it is quite nice. That's all I gotta say about that. If you know someone or a group of someone somewhere online that would enjoy seeing this tool video, be sure and share that with them. But before you go, hit that subscribe button, or you can check out that next video. I think you're gonna like it as well.